Guys, we are the student of BIT College, Bengal Institute of Technology, and we are in the heart of the city of Kolkata. You can see there are the building of Science City Atmosphere. There is the ITC Royal Bengal. So we are the main city center, and this is the dumping ground of Kolkata. Huge. This is a huge area. Okay. So you can see there is a mountain in which the unsegregated waste is being dumped, and as it can't be removed, that is, it can't be recycled, that's why it is being burned, and so huge level of pollution is being made from this. So it is a huge issue of global warming and air pollution, which is being the most concern in these few years. So our vision to solve this is that, as you can see here, because these waste are not being segregated, as you can see, some are plastic, and also there are some rubber material, some metal are also there which can be recycled, but it can't. It is not possible here because it is not being segregated. So by segregating our waste and monitoring that, local bodies will collect it from our very ground level, and it will not reach to such area, not dump this huge mountain. And this so if this mountain is not arrived, this pollution will not be taken in part. So you can see what huge level of pollution and hazardous waste. So this auntie is picking up this manually. So we are so they can have many health hazard issue. So we are thinking to done it by machine, that is IoT. So it will also help them, this type of peoples which are working in such a bad condition, health hazard. So we will carry forward our project, become more successful. So be there. These waste are not being segregated. Okay. So our team, BIT Igniters, in the SIH Smart India Hackathon 2025, we have think a solution that we will segregate the waste at the very ground level, that is from a home and offices where the waste has been generated. So we will segregate that in our home, and it can be recycled from that only, because that can be done by monitoring system. Trucks and different private agency will also arrive and take the metal waste, plastic waste, whatever the waste is, that will be segregated, that can be recycled and not dumped like that.